guys see our food. Our mugo food that don't feed me.
I'm not talking to you.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being.
Please bring my phone for me.
Zanta made me up your phone.
I'll be your best.
Now look, mommy, look.
This food is very hot. I need to eat it as hot as it is, okay? That's how it will work. Okay. I'll see you guys later, okay? Once I finish eating it, I'm going to drink hot water. This is hot water, very hot too. I'll drink hot water and I'll go to bed. I'm really tired, like so tired. My body is aching, okay? Yeah, I'll just go upstairs, take my medications, and sleep if possible. Sleep. I'll see you people tomorrow morning, okay?
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true. You're the light in the dark and sad world of mine. I'd be lost if not for you. And I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you.
So today, when we're going for our appointment, it's very close to our house. We're going to the GP, so
I will never
not quite long. It's about 10. Is it up to 10 minutes walk? Maybe 10 minutes or 12 minutes walk. So that's why I am walking. That's why I'm walking with baby.
You're my
See the children in
sweetest
school. Let me.
addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. and I thank you for being you. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true.
Oh my goodness.
There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true. You're the light in the dark, unsad world of mine.
Which jacket can I take?
Not for you.
Your pink one, in the Libya.
Pink one. That big one, or that small pink one, or can I have
Oh, now here.
I don't think so.
Where it? Let me see. Wait, let me go.
Hi, boo boo. Guys, come with us. We're going.
Shopping!
Zani, where are you?
Yes, Dad. Here.
Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping.
I cannot see myself.
You can see yourself. Where are you? Okay.
I have to go on the stairs.
Say hi, guys.
Above my head and above my head.
And I thank
I was going.
for being you.
Zani, say hi.
I will never let you go. I will never let you
Anya Berule Asda.
I did at the same time.
We're here. Asda.
You're my sweetest addiction.
This Asda. Asda. This Asda reminds me of
Safari.
safari in Qatar with big parking space. Eh? Big parking space everywhere, front and back. How?
Why did you just say
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'd be lost if not for you. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine.
This is the one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, one. Before this present one. See your daddy. Oh, yeah, you push it, come.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And
One more, sorry, maybe a baby self. One more, sorry, maybe a baby.
there's no mountain
I know. Maybe we should just try our luck. Just figure it all out. This one still has what I need to say. Sweet almond.
my strongest inspiration.
Smells like almond. Nice. So, this one. This one will be okay.
Mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I
I'm not so good.
I've been lost and
I'm not so good. This is promise.
I love you more than I can say.
Alaham. Let me see. Chicken shawarma with garlic. So let's go the corner. Pork sausage. Wow. Everything pork. Which one is this? Yes. The weather is nice today. Even though Scotland is always cold, but then it's a bit sunny and cold today. So this is everything we got. See, from here, starting from here, there's no space. Okay, see, as you can see, a lot of things are inside. A lot of things are covering each other, so there's no space. I just wanted to stack them this way to show you. See, all these lots and lots of things are hiding inside, but then see what they look like. Okay.